Okay, hi guys. I'm just going to give a quick demonstration of how to connect to the Bebo Smart Bulbs using your phone's Bluetooth. So at the moment I've actually installed two of the bulbs. I've switched on the power to the bulbs, so there's actually power going to the bulbs right now. My Bluetooth is currently switched off, so you can see on the top right of my screen the little Bluetooth icon is not actually highlighted, so my Bluetooth is currently switched off. So what I will do is I will open up the iColor Live app, which I've just downloaded from the App Store. So I select the app, the iColor Live app. It brings me to this page and I then select bulbs. And I get this little message which is basically asking me, do I want to allow the application to switch on my phone's Bluetooth? So I select yes. And you can see my Bluetooth has now actually been switched on by the app. At the top center of my phone screen you can see the little Bluetooth icon, and also the Bluetooth icon on the top right has now been highlighted, so my Bluetooth is currently switched on. So now what I want to do is I want to connect to the actual bulb and start to control the bulb. So I click on the little icon on the top left of the app screen, which brings me to this page. Usually the bulbs are all listed on this page, but as they're not currently listed I need to just swipe down on the purple area and it'll start to load up, and you can see it's immediately detected the two bulbs which I've installed. And what I'll do is, for the purpose of this demonstration, I'll just rename the bulb. So I just hold down on the name of the bulb and I'll just put in a new name. I'll just call this one bulb 1, and same for the second one. I'll just call this one bulb 2. So now I've renamed the bulbs. It's not necessary, but I think it makes things a lot easier if you rename each bulb, especially if you have up to 5 or 6 bulbs. It's just a lot easier to use. So now what I'll do is I'll select bulb 1 and start to control bulb 1. So I've selected the bulb. Now I go back into the control center, and I've full control over the bulb. I can change colors, switch it on and off, use all the timer functions and all the other functions that are available on the app. Similarly for bulb 2, if I want to control bulb 2, I just select bulb 2. If I only want to control bulb 2, I unselect bulb 1. Again, go back into the control center and I have full control of bulb 2. If I wanted to control all the bulbs at once, I can select them both by selecting 1 and 2, or the other option is I can select all lamps. And now I've actually full control of all the bulbs at once. So I can change colors, switch them all on and off at once. So that's really it, guys. It's a pretty straightforward process for connecting to the bulbs using your Bluetooth. The key points to note are that the bulb should have power going to it first. So the bulb should be installed and the power switch on. And ideally your Bluetooth should be switched off on your phone before you actually go into the app. So that's it, guys. If you have any issues or any queries, please respond to the email and we'll be more than happy to help you out. Thanks, guys.